Guys, it's your boy Adrian and Ambush uploads every day. You guys can't hear me because of this thing right here. Yes, there. I got a pit bike guys. Now we're gonna go ride this around. I already got it on, as you can tell. Just throwing on my gloves. And I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to go ride this. Alright? Yeah, here we go. Gotta put the kickstand up like always. Give it a little bit of throttle. Hop on. Don't mind my teddy bear up here. I put it on there. I don't know why I did that. I just put it on. Alright, here we go, guys. Yeah, I'll have to yell because of this. Because of the pit bike itself. Here we go. Guys, we're going right now. Woo! This thing has no brakes on it because I found it for free. Oh, fuck. I'm okay, guys. I'm good. Yeah, guys, like I was saying, this thing has no brakes. I found it for free. But anyway, we're going to ride it. Here we go. Use my feet to stop myself. You know, no brakes. Not even one brake. It's not for my feet. Here we go. Watch how fast this thing can go. That's not choking, but watch how fast. Why I just got a bug out floating inside my eye. I got it. Alright, here we go. So that way I can fix you guys, because you guys are toasting over bad. Yeah, I think we're good. Here we go. We're still recording. Wait, I got you. I'm like going faster, but most of the time I like going slower. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out.